Good day, friends. You are looking at one of my favorite projects. This is my codeblocks jet. Friends, I'm going to show you how to turn these into animated GIF files. So let's get cracking. Alright friends, so when the design is finished, you can hit share. You can orient the screen however you want. And when you hit animated GIF, it goes through all the steps to make it. You can move the screen as it's happening, and it will all be saved as a sweet little GIF file that you can then take and edit. So when the GIF file is created, it will either automatically save to your downloads, or as you can see the way I have Chrome set up, it asks me where I want to put it, and I am going to choose downloads. I'm going to give it that name 1, and now it's time to edit it. There are tons of GIF animators you can choose. I like EzGif, and I usually just search for it like this. When you get to EzGif, you need to pick what you want to do. Now the first thing I'm going to do is crop my file. So when I hit crop, I'm going to choose the file. I'm going to browse. Remember, mine was in downloads. There is JetMDH1. I can hit open and I can hit upload, and then I just have to wait for it to get up there. That was pretty efficient, and you can see it already trimmed out some areas it knows are silly. But I'm going to trim it just a little more so that it looks the way I want. I think I need to leave it about that wide. Oops, I lost it all, so I'm going to just select it again. And I think that's where I want it. Let's watch that all show up. Those are nice angles. My final wings. I can bring that in just a little bit more. Do notice there are custom choices you could have made, but I like to drag mine like that. And now I'm going to hit crop image and then wait for it to appear down below. So just like that, the image has been created. Currently this has 70 frames, which isn't that bad. I'm going to still hit optimize just to show you how it works. You could do a lossy optimization, or you can choose to drop frames. If you drop every second frame, it'll be half as many. If you drop every fourth, it'll be 1/4. So I'm going to choose remove every fourth frame and optimize. And then wait for the new GIF file to show up underneath. Alright, so now we're down to 43 frames, which is pretty efficient. But I also want to add some text. Let me show you how to do that. When you hit write text, once again you need to wait for it to load. When it does load, you will have screens underneath the original GIF file where you can put your text, and it shows the frames. Real quickly, I'm going to slide to the bottom, double check my total frames. My last frame is 43. Now I have found that 10 or 15 is the right number of frames that you should use for each chunk of text. So right now in the top line, I'm going to type Tinkercad codeblocks. And then I like the font size 60. I'm going to have this go 12 frames, so from frame 1 to frame 12. And I'm going to pick a color red, and I'm going to set it. Notice it appears on the bottom. I want that to be on the top. I'm going to hit set again, and you saw it blink. Now I'm going to go to frame 13 and put my second phrase. So there is frame 13. This one is going to say HLModTech. I'm going to also make it size 60. I'm going to make this one blue. And I'm going to have it go 12 frames. So I'm going to have it go to 25 and hit set. But I want to give it a strong border too. So now it is down here, but I'm going to move it up again. I'm going to set that. We're going to go to frame 26. 25, 26. And by having a strategy, it makes it easier to organize your thoughts when you're finding those next numbers. In this one, I'm going to do YouTube. And I'm going to go from 26 to 40. And I'm going to make it red. Size 60. And just so we show we can, let's do a different font. I'm going to do Russo 1. I will let it have a strong border, and let's see what that looks like. I like that. I'm going to hit set again to lock it in. And at this point, I am done with that part of the project. So now I'm going to go to the very, very bottom. Don't forget this. you need to find the Create GIF button. So you hit the button and give it time to get its stuff all put together. After a few moments, you will have your new GIF with the cool words added to it. You can see right there's the end. It starts with Tinkercad codeblocks, switches to the HLModTech, throws up the YouTube, and then finishes with a few blank screens. I'm going to add one more sweet thing. We're going to add an overlay. I have stored away several files that I like to stick on here. I am going to choose the file right now. So I have got a small Tinkercad logo, and once you choose it, you do need to upload it, and then you get to choose where it gets placed. I'm going to put it down in this corner, and then once you've got it placed, move to the bottom and generate image, and boom, you've just now created a complex animated GIF that has been cropped, optimized, has text, and an image added to it, just like that. When you're happy, you need to hit save. Once again, I'm back in my downloads, and I'm going to call this Jet MDH, but I'm going to put a final after it. So friends, you got two things in there. First, Tinkercad codeblocks are a total blast, and it's so sweet that they do make these animated GIF files. And secondly, you've got the skill for how to take an image to EzGif, optimize it, crop it, add text, and an overlay in an instant. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.